So I'm showing you the portal of Microsoft Azure, where you will find a lot of tabs are there, and each tabs will be showing you the various things. Now this is pricing tabs. I have explained you about the pricing tabs. I'm explaining you about the documentation. Now you will be finding a lot of documentations are here exactly. You can use, and you can see that. You can see features of Microsoft Azure exactly from here. What is a compute? The Microsoft Azure is having a IaaS component. Now this is actually your IaaS component: compute, web and mobile, data storage, analytics, IoT, Internet of Things, networking, and many things are there exactly. These are the services which is offered by. We'll go by one into this. This is the pricing which you have already seen, right? You have seen the pricing. This is the marketplace where you will find the applications are available. We will go for this. All this we will see later. Now we will go to the portal. We'll go to the portal, exact portal. Now IaaS and PaaS, we will be concentrating on two components more. There are a lot of services are available which we may not be needing at this stage. We will be needing it at a later stage. So now, what are these tabs are? This is web application. Web apps is nothing but your application services, right? Application services are nothing but your application which you develop, or you can import from existing on-premise into this. So these are the services which these are all type of services, and this is a web application. How easily you can make a web application in this, as you can see, simple as I have made it one. I'll just delete it and I'll create it for you. Okay, so it is deleting. Now how easy it is to create a one web application in this. As a wizard, go to this, create a URL for your web services, because here everything is web based, so services are there. So azure.website.net is there. Now I'm just creating this. Azure website.net can be replaced by your custom domain. I will show you how to add the custom domain into Azure exactly, so you can replace this website from your this thing. But anyway, here I'll be saying that TV showroom or a bike showroom. I wanted to make a application for a dealer who is basically selling the bikes. So I'm preparing one application for him, right? Bike showroom. So showroom. So this. Okay. So why it is not creating? It's basically okay. This URL already used, and you cannot use it. So I'll just select a say TV showroom. Okay, TV is also used, so I'll select TV SHOWROOM. Let's see, this is not used. So TV showroom, I have created an application for this. This is the plan which you can select, new application services plan. This is a new web app services plan, and this is I'm selecting the place. This is in Southeast Asia, that is nothing but where? Singapore. And in Singapore you have a data center where you are going to create your application on the server in a Singapore data center. In a data center you have a cloud services in which you are creating your applications, and you will be able to access it from there. So see how easy it is to create a web application, or in this. Now you can publish this web application also very easily. Okay, you can see this is how you have done it, and you can browse this application, can stop this website or web application, you can restart the web application, right? You can restart the web application, you can stop the web application, you can browse this application, you can delete this application, and you can make a website also in this using web matrix. What you can see in this is basically this is a web application which I have created. Now I wanted to check the details of this. I'll be seeing the details of this web application, right? Now this is a dashboard where it is telling me about this, how much CPU, how much data in, out, and all those things is happening with this particular application. This is monitoring. It is monitoring my application, how much data and all those things are used in this. This dashboard is basically for this thing. You will find web endpoints, configure web endpoint, monitoring, auto scale. All these features are there which you can add it to your application, right? How much time it is used. It will be monitoring all these things, how much application has used your memory, all these things you can see here. On the hand side, you will be finding the URL of your showroom. So if I will be clicking on this, I'll be opening in a different tab. You can see I'm able to access this application directly from here, even though I don't have any pages in this. You can see this web application is already open. This web application is already open. So see how fast we have created this. But in case if you wanted to make your own website, we can use this web matrix. Okay, lightweight web development, you use it and you can develop an application from this. This is a launcher, tools launcher. You can click on it, add it to Chrome. Okay, this site is using something. Okay, so basically I mean to say is this. Here you can see web jobs. What is web jobs? A job, a scripted job, you can add it here. What is web jobs? It's basically Azure web application able you run custom jobs on your job application in one of three ways: on demand, continuously, and on schedule. To get started, click add a web job, right? This is the custom based script which you are running in this, right? Configure. Here you can run any script actually. See, a dot frame and all those things are there. These are the tools which is already available to you in this tool website, using which you can develop an application, right? This is site diagnostics. All these things are there, monitoring and all. Here you will be application setting you can do here, and here you can add a default documents. If you have any documents, you can add it here. Default document you can remove and you can put a new document here, right? That is what you can do it. Say I will put file name is should be there, abc.html, right? So see, this is abc.html. It can add this file as a, and you can select this as a default. You can move it up and down and we can make a default HTML. This is the handler mapping. There's a virtual application directory where you can have the application and all. This is in site www root where the main path of your application you have, right? So you can define this here in virtual directory and the application will be loaded on this. So this is very simple. So I have created one application here and I can put a contents in this and we can run. So this is how you are running a website. You don't have to purchase here any IP addresses, nothing. You don't have to purchase any IP addresses here. Okay, now if you wanted to know the details of this, you can go to the website. URL I have already shown you. The IP address if you wanted to know, you can know all these things. The subscription ID, Azure and all those things, right? So you can see all those things are there. Here it is showing you connection string, how many people are connected to this at this time. New portal, except for a new portal is Microsoft has developed, so you can go to that and you can have a look into this. View applicable applications. It's basically you can see you can reset profile, credential and all those things are there. So it's basically I have shown you how you can create a web application in this, and you can publish, and you can do all these things from here, right? This is one. This is virtual machine, right? Now first we'll go to check each and every features of this web application. This is the place from where you will get the tools. You can install Visual Studio for your web. You can install a Windows Azure SDK and learn how to add web jobs to your application. That is customized script, how you can add it to this. So this is the help is available. How you can publish your application. So this is a place from where you can learn how to publish the application. This is integrate source control, setup deployment for source controls actually.